Starting a meal prep can feel overwhelming. Trust me, I've been there. If I could do it all over again, here's exactly how I'd begin, so you can avoid the mistakes and get it right from day one. Hi, I'm Coach Tiffany, founder of Red Flower Health. I'm passionate about helping busy Christian women simplify their health through faith-filled practical strategies, especially when it comes to meal prep. Today, I'm going to share how I'd start meal prepping if I was a beginner all over again, to save you time, stress, and frustration. I used to buy all the ingredients for meal prep, but didn't really plan when I'd actually have time to prepare and cook everything. Life would get busy, my schedule would take over, and often that food just went to waste because I never got around to prepping it. It was frustrating and felt like a constant cycle of wasted time and money. So how do you avoid making the mistakes I made? Step 1. Start simple and focus on what fits your routine. Pick meals that match your energy levels, schedule, and kitchen skills. It's not about perfection, it's about practicality. When I shifted to recipes that worked for my life, I finally stuck with meal prep consistently. Step 2. Plan your meals in manageable chunks. Instead of prepping everything at once, break it down into smaller batches. Maybe prep protein one day and veggies another, or make double batches to freeze for later. This reduces overwhelm and fits into your time better. Step 3, schedule your prep days wisely. I learned to prep on days where I had more energy, usually on my days off from work, instead of trying to force it after long work days. If I can't get it all done, I plan a slow workday evening to finish up. Planning your prep time like an appointment helps to make it a habit. What's your biggest struggle with meal prepping? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to everyone. If you've had a meal prep win or fail, share it too. Let's encourage each other on this journey. If you want more help simplifying healthy eating, don't forget to download my free Feel Your Body, Honor Your Health meal prep workshop. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more faith-filled health tips. See you next time. Coach Tiffany.